What is going on, fellow DJs? Doc Bramblefield here with Midas Entertainment. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Xpress 512S to Chauvet ShowXpress. And the problem that you are most likely having is that Windows installed the wrong driver automatically, and you need to install the driver manually for this to work properly. So what we need to do is come to chauvetdj.com/ShowXpress. Make sure you've installed ShowXpress, and then come down to hardware and drivers and click this link I've highlighted in blue here, Windows 10 only drivers. Click this and a window should pop up. Download it. You'll download it, and then you're going to want the EFK USB 64-bit, most likely if you're on 64-bit Windows 10. Take this folder, drag it to your desktop or somewhere you know how to get to in a minute here, because we're going to need to get to this folder in a minute. Drag it, drop it, and then come to your start bar and type in device. Device. Open your device manager. And once that's open, come down to Universal Serial Bus Devices. Click that arrow and you should see your D512S. Right click this and hit Update Driver. Go to Browse My Computer for drivers. Click Browse and then navigate to the folder that we just moved, the EFK USB. Now hit OK, hit Next. You'll see a loading bar and your driver is now installed. You can close this window. Now what you're going to want to do is launch ShowXpress. And you're going to see interface found now, Xpress 512. And to confirm that, you're going to see a blinking green light on your Chauvet Xpress 512S. Now this blinking green light means that you're now connected with the software, and that's exactly what we need to happen. So to test your light, come here to add fixtures and try to find your fixture in this list. If you can't, add the most similar fixture you can find or create your own fixture. Then click patch and you'll see it pop up in the list here. I'm going to remove this for now since I already have my devices added. Then you're going to want to come over to steps right here at the top. Look for this XLR looking icon, and when you hover over it, it says DMX. Click that and it will turn green. This means that we can now select a light and control it with these sliders down here. So we're going to do that. We're going to select our Freedom Par Tri, and we are going to turn up our sliders, and with any luck it should start working. And there it goes. You can see this is now working. Now if this isn't working for you, chances are there's something going on with your DMX addresses, and you need to come over here into fixtures and move this around to where your addresses are. And most of your devices will tell you the address on whatever display they have. So on this one, the display is right here, and I'm on address 1. And you can change that to whatever you need, and your device should start working. I hope this video has helped you guys solve whatever problems you have with your Xpress 512S. If you have any other problems, let me know in the comments and I'll try to solve them for you. If you like the video, make sure to hit like. And if you want to see more content with Midas Entertainment, be sure to check out our Two-Step and Tuesdays every Tuesday at 8:30 p.m. at mixcloud.com/live/tone-collector. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.